Hey everyone, Vision AutoWorks here. We have a 9th gen Civic. This is a sedan model. Headlight package here finished up for a customer. These utilize the Mini H1 by Xenon projectors. Shrouds are the Mini Turbine. We also did lens etching with the SI, Civic SI logo etched on the projector lenses. We also have profile pivot switchback halos mounted on top of the shrouds, and the internals are all painted a semi gloss black to black everything out. Does look really good when this is done, and the shroud is left chrome. You get a lot of contrast here. We're gonna cut the HID system on. This is just our test valves here. All of our headlights ship with Morimoto HID kits, so ignore that igniter. This is with the halo on and the HIDs on. Now we'll show the switchback operation of the halos right now. So basically when you hit the turn signals, the halos or whatever switchback components will blink with it. Go to an amber color and then return back to white when the turn signals are off. And once again, we'll demo this one more time. Turn signal operation. Turn signals off and goes back to white. Again, our headlight packages do come with full Morimoto HID kits with HD relay harnesses, so everything is plug and play upon arrival. No need to cut or splice or modify any of your factory wiring, and this is 100% reversible back to stock if need be. You can visit us on the web at visionautoworks.com, order a package like this for yourself, spec out your own build online. If you have any other questions, give us a call or an email. Thanks.